Hi, I'm Josh, and today I'm going to show you how to make red onion pickle. The dip restaurants and takeaways normally serve with poppadoms. As always, a full list of the ingredients for the dish can be found in the description below. Before I begin, please take a second to subscribe, like the video, and click that notification bell. Thanks. To begin, you'll need to finely chop a medium-sized white or brown onion. Then in a separate container, add 4 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, 1 tablespoon of white vinegar, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of water, half a teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of mint sauce, and 1/4 teaspoon of red food colouring. Mix well using a spoon or your fingers. Gloves recommended unless you want bright red hands. Now add in the chopped onions and mix through well. Allow to marinate for a few hours, ideally overnight as the taste changes. Then stir to ensure that all the sugar has dissolved and enjoy. Please remember to like, subscribe, and check out this and many more recipes on my website at thecurrykid.co.uk.